So guys, this is summer and it is holiday season, and if you have time to make money from the comfort of your home, why not just read and make money? And the best part is you're gaining some knowledge while you read, and in some cases you're going to be getting free books to read to be able to make money. And these books you're going to read, all you're needed to do is make your honest review after reading. They don't need you to sugarcoat anything or to just give positive reviews or to be biased about your review. Just have to tell them what you feel as it is, be as honest and as open as possible, and you're going to be making money doing this. On the average, you can make anywhere from $5 to $200 reviewing books on a daily basis. So if it's something you're interested in doing, I'm going to share with you platforms where you can find books that you can review from the comfort of your home, regardless of your location, and make money. But before we get into that, if you're seeing this channel for the first time, I've been working from home for the past 3 years, and on this channel, I share my tips, my experiences, everything I know so far about working from home, so you know where to get started. So if it's something you're interested in, please consider being part of our growing community by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. So that being said, the first website we're going to talk about is one that I have personally signed up to, and I've gotten a lot of books to review. On this platform, all you have to do is make yourself available. So the platform is one of the best ways to make money as a book enthusiast, and you're going to earn anywhere from $5 to $60 per review you make on this platform. They also have free books and paid books that you can review on this platform. So for most people, they start with the free books, especially if you're a beginner. So to start, you sign up on the official website and then you submit your writing samples. Then you wait for a reply about the application process. They need an honest review, not just a positive review like we mentioned. So this platform is good for readers who enjoy reading books and want free copies. So if you're that kind of person, consider online book club. So the second platform we're going to talk about is a book review platform where you can write reviews for self-published authors. So it connects avid readers with authors who need high quality reviews to promote their books. So authors are always looking for people that will give them honest review or high quality review to be able to promote their books so that they get more people to buy and read from them. So you can earn tips from readers, usually $5 to $50 per book review. Some readers may make more if they build strong positive profile. On this platform, it does not promise a full-time job. This is something you can do on the side, so you don't quit your real job to concentrate on this. So you have to bear that in mind, that it is a side hustle for you. So this platform is great for book readers who want to get paid to read and start a book blog. What it means is that once you're done reading, you can write and make your publication on your blog. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Red Sea Discovery, so you might want to check it out. Another platform we're going to talk about is a place where you can get audio books, but on this platform, for the purpose of this video, they are looking for people that can narrate books. What it means is that you read and record the books so that people that like listening to audiobooks can use your readings to listen and understand what they need to understand about the book. So if you have a good voice and you're good with voicing and you're good with reading, you might want to consider this platform. On the average, you can make anywhere from $50 to $200 per finished hour of any book that you read, and in most cases you will have to work with the editors on the platform to have your book reading published. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is ACS. It's an affiliate of Amazon Books, so you might want to check that out. You can go on to the platform and sign up and start voicing the books that you may see, reading them out and recording, and then you're making extra cash doing that. If you're interested, you might want to check it out. So the next platform we're going to talk about is one that is the oldest review site amongst the list I'm going to mention in this video. It focuses on helping libraries and schools find good books through editorial reviews. So you get paid to read books and submit high quality reviews on the platform. So payment depends on the project, but usually it falls between $15 to $50 per review that you make. So it's not a full-time job like the other one, so you have to bear that in mind. It's more like a side hustle. So to get started on this platform, you're going to visit the official website and look for freelance book review, and you will need to send a writing sample and professional references and go through the application process to get started. The name of the platform is Booklist, so you might want to check it out. So the next platform I'm going to talk about is one that has been around and it's a household name. It provides short reviews and editorial reviews on books for publishers, authors, and readers as well. So you get paid to read books and earn steady freelance job if you do well on the platform. So payment depends on the word count and speed. Many reviewers earn up to $50 to $75 per review, and some top reviewers earn extra money from bonus projects like beta reader work or audiobook narration jobs. So to get started on this platform, you're going to visit the official website, then you look for paid readers position on their job board. You must send a writing sample and pass a test to be able to get started on this platform. So they're looking for an honest review, it's not just a positive review, so you bear that in mind. Now I'm going to try to leave the link to all these platforms in the comment section so you can easily find them and register to get started. And if you are seeing value so far in this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We're really grateful to all of you that have been supporting us. We're on our road to 6,000 subscribers. We really appreciate you all. And if you're looking to make any job application anytime soon, you might want to grab our 12-in-1 job application bundle that is all done for you templates. All you have to do is to customize it for each job to stand a better chance. The best part is they are all ATS optimized, so that even if they run your application through ATS systems, you are going to be safe and you're going to stand a better chance of being contacted for an interview as long as you're qualified. So if you're interested, grab a copy with the link in the description below, and there is also some freebies that you might want to consider in the description below. So moving on, the next website we're going to talk about is one that is focused on thoughtful, high quality reviews for adult fictions, non-fictions, young adult books. They care about deep reviewing skills, not just quick posts. So reviewers get paid for freelance book reviews. The exact pay is private, like it's not made public, but most of the reviewers say they earn up to like $50 to $100 per accepted review on this platform. So they do not offer a full-time job, just like every other one I mentioned. So you just have to bear in mind that it's an extra side hustle that you can have. So to apply, you're going to apply with writing samples and a few sample reviews on the official website. You must enjoy reading and be ready to give a helpful feedback that can be of use to the platform. So if you're interested, the name of the platform is Book Browse. You might want to check it out and sign up to get started. So the next platform I want to talk about is one that helps readers and self-publishers connect on their platform. So it's a simple way to get paid to read, and at first you read 2 books for free, and after that you can earn $10 per review. Once you start reviewing other books, you can earn up to $50 in total. It's not a full-time job and it's a great way to get extra cash like every other one. So many book readers use it to build samples, writing samples for a bigger job. What it means is that as a beginner you can start up with this and you can build yourself, get more experiences, and use them to look for bigger review jobs. So to get started, you have to go to the official website and look for paid readers program. You must send a writing sample and show you can provide helpful tips, when it comes to making reviews about the book you have read. And if you pass, you will get the books to review based on your preferred genre of book. Then you post your book reviews on places like Goodread or your blog or anywhere. So this is a great place to review books, because in addition to building your skill as a reviewer, you are also allowed to make your write-up and also publish them on your personal blog, and that is an extra way for you to earn money. So if you're interested, you might want to check out all these platforms. If you're looking for other remote jobs you want to do, or you want to find a way to use AI to make money in 2025, please consider this video showing on your screen. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to this channel. We're really grateful to all of you that have been supporting us. Check out the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.